Welcome to the program, my friend. I'm so happy that you're here and thank you so much for your trust. Before to start to work and to make your miracle with your web show, let me to remind you a couple important things. First, you know that everything depends on your action. I mean, I'm sharing with you everything that you need to know to make entertaining and profit looking and so cool your web show, your live streaming, but you have to watch the lessons and to take action to make your homework. You know that everything depends on your action. The second important thing that I want to remind you is that because we want fast result, we want you to have fast result just like that. We will ignore couple tools or options inside in the software. This is not some online course to learn the software, this software that we use in deep and so on. So we will learn only the tools and the options in the software that we really need to create our sequence, our scenes, our effects and so on. Just what we really need right now. Again, because we want fast result. And the last thing that I want to remind you, and is super important, this program is pilot version of the program. So your feedback is super important. Tell me what you don't like, what you like, if you have some suggestions, if you have some questions. Your comment, your feedback is super important for me, and together we will create this program to be on the next level. Let me tell you, thank you in advance for your feedback, my friend. So it's time to start to work.